Hey guys, in this video we're gonna take you on a tour of the Hotel Don Giovanni in Prague, Czechoslovakia. We're gonna go on a room tour and we're gonna see some of the amenities at the hotel and I'm gonna tell you some other amenities at the hotel. Don Giovanni is actually a name of a piece made by Mozart, and all the artwork you see here on the corridors is actually from the movie Mozart. So if you haven't seen it, maybe you could see it before actually coming to the hotel so you can see the scenes. There are approximately 4 elevators at the hotel, not all working, but let's go on a room tour and let's pick room 828. So it's a standard room. You got a little corridor. You got somewhere to put your bags, hang your jackets, and so on. There are some shelves. Of course, there's a little safe, so you can take all your valuables and put it there. There are some hangers so you can hang your clothes, and there are some sewing kit and so on, a shoe horn so you can put on your shoes. Of course, there's a phone. There are actually some wine you can buy. You can see the prices here in Czech and in euros. We got a complimentary wine when we checked in. We actually checked in at 2 rooms, but we only got 1 wine. That was a little bit funny. I know the kids shouldn't have wine, but you could get given the folks too. Then there's a lot of brochures, what's happening in the hotel, what called room service, and so on. There's a bottle of water. Some days you get 2 half liters of water, and some days you get this large bottle of water. We were living at 2 people at this room and 2 people at the other room. There's of course a bed, queen size bed. There is a view. Actually, over to the left is a cemetery. And there's actually some famous people on this cemetery. It's a Jewish cemetery and it's open, not daily, but it is open almost every day, not so much at the weekend. So you can actually go in and look. It's very unique experience. There are some things you can buy in the room, a little fridge full of stuff, and here are the prices. You can just pause the video if you would like to see the prices. There are some things not in the fridge, and there's a fully stocked fridge, but please remember all the things in the fridge will actually cost you. Now they are not motion triggered, so you can actually take them out and put some of your own stuff in the fridge. We actually did that, but please remember that they will look and see if you have taken anything out. That was the complimentary water. There's a standard bedroom, sliding door at the bedroom. There's of course a toilet, there's a sink, there's some glasses, there are hair dryers, there's of course a shower. Now the water pressure wasn't the best in the world, but it was okay, and it was a little long time before the water got hot, but it's okay. There's a TV in the room, once again the bed. There's some art in the room, and of course you can control the climate. At our hotels, at our last stay, we had access to the lounge, so you can actually go up to the lounge. Here you will go through the spa, and here at the lounge there are all kinds of drinks. There are beer, there are cokes, there are wine, there are food, yogurt, whatever. From the lounge, there are also a terrace on the roof where you can actually enjoy the look over the city. Now, it's the wrong way if you look at Prague, because Centrum was the other way, but there was a view over the city. Once again, step down the halls here. You can see the scenes from the movie Mozart on the walls. The hotel is rather nice. There are as I said before, 4 elevators. Not all of them are always working. Sometimes we only had 2 elevators working, and that had a little bit of an issue in the mornings and in the evenings. The 2 elevators on the one side are small, and the 2 elevators on the other side are large. There is a rather big parking structure down under the hotel. Don't have a too big car, but if you have a big car, you can
Resten af videoen her.
It is paid parking, of course, and here we have the lobby. Now, in the lobby, there are actually, if you look over to the left, there are actually pianists that are playing sometimes during the night. And you got this elaborate stairs up to the restaurants and the lifts. You also have the lifts on this floor, of course. There are a couple of different restaurants at the hotel. Some are actually one of them is actually making a Michelin menu, and then there is a all-you-can-eat restaurant. Please note that when you check into the hotel, there will be a city tax that you have to pay. The city tax is not included in the price, but you're actually gonna get a Prague card for free at the hotel that gives you some discounts.